Multiple enhancements have been made to tool handling in the context of the machine tool, reducing manual interaction and making tool handling easier and more intuitive. These enhancements include simplifying the 3D assembly tool creation workflow, allowing changes on origin tool parameters only, overall improved usability of tools in the machine context, and adding a quick open option for the tool, device, and machine tool. There are two main stages when applying tools in NXCAM. Tool definition, where you create the parametric or 3D assembly tool, and tool usage, where you use the tool in the CAM setup or create a parametric tool within the setup. This video will step you through the workflow of both tool definition and usage. In this example, the displayed tool is a generic assembly from a tool vendor which we wish to prepare and export to the NXCAM tool library for later use in a CAM setup. It has been oriented correctly in the world coordinate system, and the WCS has been specified as the tool center point position. We'll begin by selecting Create Tool. The Best Practice Library Turning Tool Creation resource on PostHub contains two templates which support the user to create solid or parametric turning tools for the library. The templates are available for standard tools only. Templates for grooving or threading tools are not yet available. In this case, we'll create a 3D solid assembly tool. The new Tool Definition dialog displays. The tree on the left guides you through the process of creating a tool as you work from top to bottom. We'll start by specifying the tool parameters for a 3D button tool. In this case, we'll select the round insert and adjust the dimensions. We'll specify the setup information by defining the junction for the mounting and tool tip, as well as specifying the cutting portion of the tool. You can also specify a color for the tool if necessary, and compensation settings to determine the tracking point. Control options determine the tool number, manual change, and limits. Lastly, we'll enter a library reference and export the tool to the NXCAM tool library. The system notifies you when the tool has been successfully exported to the library. Now we'll see what is improved when the tool is used in the setup. When editing the assembly tool from the library, notice that most of the tool parameters are grayed out. Only the original tool part file should be edited. The tool cannot and should not be edited from within the setup. The export option has been removed because tools should only be exported separately. This avoids miscreation of library tools. Parameters without library references may be customized. The new Open in Window option is a convenient way to quickly open assembly objects in CAM. It is available for tool assemblies, device assemblies, and machine assemblies. Using the new Quick Open option opens the underlying assembly part file quickly, eliminating the need to manually search for the component in the Assembly Navigator or for the tool in the Assembly Navigator tree or on the disk. A new message displays when a parameter is changed, alerting you that the change will break the link to the tool library. In cases where you do not have access to the original tool part file, moving the tool to unused items will unlock the tool parameters, allowing you to change the original tool parameters but resulting in a broken library link. The same message is displayed as before. Additional improvements have been made to make the positioning of parametric tools more user-friendly and intuitive. First, parametric tools are displayed in their mounting position when displaying the Tool Edit dialog. Second, adjusting the XY mounting position will display the position immediately. And third, the mounting junction of a parametric tool is now shown, displaying a reference of the XY mounting values.